Hey everybody, this is Zane with Python Basics, and I just want to jump in and say thank you to everybody and let you know about the resources that are out there. So one, I'm just blown away by the number of subscribers. Secondly, you can reach out and get me through a variety of ways. I try really hard to see all the comments. There's a problem that, and I've let YouTube know, but if you comment to a comment, I may not see it. I try to go back, but I don't go back forever. So if you respond to a comment that's already a comment, I may not see it. But if you make a new comment, I do get that alert and I do see that on my comment list. But I do get all Twitter alerts, and also was hit up about code. So, and also the folks who are coming from Free Code Camp, I want to tell you guys thank you. Today's video is already at like 7,000 or 8,000, and also here's everything we've covered, and the Django stuff, the tank. The Raven was here that we did today, and what else did I want to say? But I just want to tell you guys thank you. Today was just, I don't know, it seemed we just hit on all cylinders, and it was great interaction, and I just wanted to, I haven't told you guys how much I appreciate it in a while, so I just never want to. And also we got a Discord server going, if you're interested in that, hit me up and I'll send you an invite. We got some things going there. We just have a lot of resources going on, and we have some individuals who've taken point on Discord, and that's kind of where I want this to go. It's just not a YouTube page, YouTube videos. I want you to think about this as a community that we're here for you. If you're stuck, if you're having a hard time, just a ton of support. So just wanted to let you guys know about that. Just wanted to make a different video today and let you be aware of everything that's out there that's at your disposal. So thank you as always, and then we'll pick up with Django tomorrow. And we are beginning to wrap that up. We might do some visualization, maybe. HTML is a little weird about that sometimes. But we will go from there. And but as always, guys, thank you very much for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, or video requests. And now you have a variety of different ways of getting a hold of me. And I hope you guys are enjoying this long format, because this ultimate beginner have had a lot of requests, and it seems to be going over well. So that's one thing that I'm really going to be doing more of, is that if you guys have a question or a thought or how to do it, I'm going to do it because a ton of other people have it. So thank you guys. If you have a thought or a concern, please air it and I will get on it. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.